Hello students, we are on lesson number 19. 19e leçon do conversation au restaurant. Two conversations at the restaurant. AUO, it is the combination of a plus le. Whenever the place is masculine, we use o to say at the, in the, or to the. Two conversations au restaurant. Two conversations at the restaurant. Qu'est-ce que vous mangez? Ça sent bon. Qu'est-ce que is a question word which is used to say what is or what are. Vous mangez means you are eating. What are you eating? EZ at the end of a verb is always pronounced as A. Ça sent bon. That smells good. The original verb that is used over here is sentir. It means to smell or to feel. That smells good. C'est un daube de bœuf. Daube, it means stew. De bœuf means of beef. So together, daube de bœuf, it means beef stew. Vous en voulez means do you want some? Also same means it is. It is a beef stew. Do you want some? Non merci. No thank you. Je n'ai pas faim. Now over here we have another topic that with the word soif and with the word faim, we use avoir. Now in English, we usually say I am thirsty, I am hungry. But in French, we cannot use the être verb. We have to use the verb avoir. So it is compulsory to say I have thirst or I have hunger. So it is conjugated with avoir. Je n'ai pas faim means I do not have hunger. The word faim, it means hunger. J'ai déjà mangé. Déjà, it means already. Manger, it means eaten. Now this word manger, it is a past participle. Whenever there is any er ending verb, we know there are three categories of verbs according to their ending: ir, re and er. In case of the er ending verbs, we have a rule to form the past participle. For example, let us take the help of manger. What we have to do? We have to remove the R from the ending, keep the E and put an accent on top of it. So manger, to eat, becomes manger, eaten. Acheter, similarly acheter is to buy. I remove the R, I keep the E and put an accent on top. So I get acheter, which means bought. To buy becomes bought. Similarly jouer, to play becomes jouer, which is played. Pronunciation does not change much. So, non merci, je n'ai pas faim, j'ai déjà mangé. No thank you, I do not have hunger, I have already eaten. Alors has two meanings, so or then, over here so. Prenez un verre de vin. The original verb is prendre, which means to take. Prenez un verre. Un verre is a glass. De means of, and vin, it means wine. Take a glass of wine. Non merci, je n'ai pas soif non plus. No thank you, again je n'ai pas, I do not have. Soif, it means thirst. Remember that OI is pronounced as OA. And non plus, it means neither. So I have thirst neither, or I am neither thirsty. Mais is an important connector meaning but. Je vais prendre un café. Again the same verb prendre, to take. Je vais, we have seen this verb in the earlier lessons. Aller verb, which means to go. Je vais means I go or I am going. But I am going to take a coffee, a café. Bien, well, garçon. The word garçon, it has two meanings: waiter or boy. Over here, since we are in a cafe setting, it means waiter. IEN is always at the end of a word, it is pronounced as ia. For example, rien, bien, bien. Bien means well. Well, garçon, waiter. Deux cafés et l'addition, s'il vous plaît. Two coffees et l'addition. Remember, TION at the end of a word is pronounced as sion. So, l'addition, it means a bill. S'il vous plaît. To 2 coffees and the bill, please. Je ne vais pas prendre de vacances cette année. Earlier we saw je vais, which means I am going. Je ne vais pas, I am not going. To take the holidays, vacances, holidays. Cette année, this year. The word set, it has two meanings, this or it can also mean that. But remember, set is only used when the next noun is feminine. Année means year and it is feminine. I am not going to take the holidays this year. Ça coûte beaucoup trop cher. Et vous? The original verb is coûter, which means to cost. Ça coûte means that cost. Too expensive. Beaucoup trop means far too or too much. And cher, it means expensive. Et vous? A means and, vous means you. And you? On the next page, the translation is also given in case you want to go through it once. On the next page, 73, the lesson is continued. Moi, je vais en Grèce en septembre pour 12 semaines. Now, this word moi, for that we have note number 3. This declarative use of this pronoun is colloquial and it adds to the emphasis of the statement. Now, whenever someone has given their opinion and you wish to give yours, you can start the sentence with moi, which means as for me. Par exemple, moi je pense qu'il a raison. Me, or as for me, I think that he is right. Now, in English we say he is right, but in French we say he has right. So also with the word raison, we use avoir. Avoir plus raison. Avoir plus raison, it means to be right. In French, the exact translation means to have right. So, as for me, moi, as for me, je vais, again the same verb, I am going. En Grèce, en means to. And Grèce means Greece. In September, for 2 weeks. Pour, it means for. Semaine, it means weeks. 2 semaines, 2 weeks. Now remember, over here, we have the note on the next page, note number 4. With all the feminine countries, we use en to say in or at or to. So, vous le trouvez en Grèce. Grèce, it is a feminine country. So, you find it in Greece. Elle va en Grèce. She is going to Greece. Similarly, France is also a feminine country. So, if I want to say I am going to France, I would use the verb en. The preposition en. Je vais en France. I am going to France. Similarly, Italy is also a feminine country. So I would say je vais en Italie. En will be used with feminine countries to say in, at or to. Then a point is given. However, if the country has a plural name like Netherlands, United States, we use the plural form O. AUX-O. For example, ils vont aux États-Unis. They are going to the United States. Also, there is a liaison, so we'll have to say aux États-Unis. Also, remember that with the months, we use en or to say in. And another concept is given that avoir la chance means to be lucky. Avoir will be conjugated in the present tense. For example, if I want to say I am lucky, it would be j'ai la chance. If I want to say you are lucky, vous avez de la chance. So it means to be lucky. Line number 10, en Grèce, to Greece, vous avez de la chance. You are lucky. Je suis jaloux. Je suis, no, we know it is the être verb in the present tense, meaning to be. I am. I am jealous. Je suis jaloux. On the next page, the translation is given in case you want to go through it. Another note is given, note number 5. Let us go through it once. The months are given. Janvier, January. Février, February. Mars, March, April, April, May, May, Juin, June, Juillet, July, Août, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December.